So this is my final project in Sim 101 MIT 214. My name is Nicolas Ivan Vinavea. So my final project is software verification and parameter analysis. So the part 1 is modeling parameters. So the geometry and cover constraints. The beam width is let's go to sections. The beam width is 300. The beam height is 500. Thus, effective depth is four 437.5. Sub thickness is 800. So the FC is 28 MPa. The FY is 415 MPa. The F the steel yield strength is 275. So the steel yield strength, the main is 415. So okay. So the next is the loading input. So we go to edit section. So the factored load is 92. The maximum factored shear is 368. So that's okay. So the beam section with dimension is 300 millimeters by 500 millimeters was analyzed using Altar S concrete. So material properties were defined, um, 28 MPa. The compressed 28 MPa concrete compressive strength and 415 MPa reinforcing steel yield strength and 275 MPa steel yield strength. So the software checks the beam against flexural strength, shear strength, reinforcement detailing, spacing requirements, and serviceability limits. So a demand to capacity ratio close to 1.00 indicates an optimized design because the steam strength closely matches the applied demand without excessive reserve capacity. If the D over C ratio is much lower than 1.00, the beam is considered conservative or over-designed. Conversely, a D over C ratio greater than 1.00 indicates that the beam does not satisfy the required strength and requires redesign. Since the selected beam dimensions satisfied the NSCP minimum depth requirement and the reinforcement was proportioned using code equations, the beam is expected to achieve a satisfactory utilization ratio after software verification. So number two is P2M interaction, moment capacity curve. The P2M interaction diagram generated by this software illustrates the relationship between the beam's axial load capacity and bending moment capacity. The applied design point must lie within the interaction envelope to satisfy the strength requirements of the code. Because this beam is primarily subjected to flexure with negligible axial load, the governing condition is the bending moment capacity. The interaction diagram verifies that the selected reinforcement provides adequate resistance against the applied ultimate moment of 736 kilonewton meter while maintaining a tension controlled failure mode. So, um, the number three is shear spacing envelope. So the shear spacing envelope generated by this software shows the required stirrup spacing along the beam length. The highest shear force occurs at the bottom support where it is 368. So the number for engineering synthesis and justification. The manual calculation and the Alter S concrete software follow the same design philosophy based on NSCP 2015 and ACI 318-14. The manually selected beam dimensions of 300 mm by 500 mm satisfy the minimum thickness requirement for an 8 meter supply simply supported beam. The software automatically verifies additional code requirements that are difficult to evaluate manually, including reinforcement spacing, minimum and maximum steel ratio, concrete cover, crack control, bar congestion, detailing requirements, development length, shear reinforcement optimization. So, minor differences between the manual and software reinforcement may occur because the software performs automatic optimization while satisfying all code provisions simultaneously. Overall, the software verification confirms that the manually designed beam complies with NSCP requirements and provides sufficient flexural and shear capacity for the applied loading. So the summary of the input data is beam width to 300 mm, beam height 500 mm, effective depth 437.5 mm. The beam span is 8.0 meter. Concrete cover is 40 mm. Concrete strength is 28 MPa. Steel yield strength is 415 MPa. Stirrup steel yield strength is 275 MPa. The dead load is 50 kilonewton meter. The live load is 20 kilonewton meter. Factored load is 92 kilonewton meter. Maximum shear is 368 kilonewton meter. The maximum moment is 736 kilonewton meter. So here the dead load is 50 kilonewton meter. So we're gonna put 50. Next is um, live load is 20 kilonewton meter, and factored load is 92 kilonewton meter. It's 92. Number 4 is 368 kilonewton. The maximum moment is so that's about it. So the conclusion is the manual building design was verified using Altar S concrete with a beam size of 300 mm by 500 mm and an 8.0 meter span. Material properties of 28 MPa concrete and 415 MPa reinforcing steel were assigned in accordance with NSCP 2015 and ACI 318-14. The applied factored load was 92 kN meter, producing a maximum shear force of 368 kN meter at the supports and a maximum bending moment of 736 kN meter at midspan. The software verification confirmed that the beam satisfied the required flexural and shear strength checks. The generated P2M interaction curve and shear spacing envelope demonstrates that selected section is structurally adequate, while any minor differences from the manual design are attributed to the software's optimizations and detailed code compliance checks.